Hi, I'm Richard Lawler from Engadget, here with our first look at Sling TV, and maybe, just maybe, the future of TV itself. Our Best of CES winner just a few weeks ago, Sling TV is an internet service that brings popular channels in a smaller package for just $20 per month. There was a lot of excitement when it debuted, and it's about to roll out to customers for the first time. We've had a few days to test it, and we wanted to know, does it live up to the hype? Well, we're about to find out. On the channels that are the most internet friendly is where Sling TV really shines, and you can find out what it's really capable of. Bloomberg is one of those and has all of the features. There are on-demand segments. There's also control of live programming. You can jump in and see what's airing, or scroll back with a scroll bar like you were watching Netflix or Hulu or something. Jump back 30 seconds, no problem. Want to pull up more information on the show that's airing? It's all right there. Jumping from live TV to the recorded video on demand feed, no problem. With Sling TV, it's all right there, and these menus are pretty consistent across devices. Android, iOS, or on the web, you can just watch internet video the way that you've been used to. The only downside, when someone's not ready for the internet age. You at ESPN. When we tried to watch the Pro Bowl last night on our phone, we got this message that it's not available. That's because of an agreement that the NFL has, and unfortunately, Sling TV has to play by the rules. We didn't see anything like this at any other point, but every now and then you're going to run into a few things that are just upsetting when you're trying to get used to watching something that should be available everywhere all the time. That's what we're expecting. The other downside is that when you're watching a channel like ESPN that might not support all of the features in this app, you don't get things like being able to go back and pause or anything like that. So your DVR features not working on every channel on the Sling TV service. You do have things like closed captioning. You can go ahead and adjust the settings. You can select a lower bandwidth rate if your connection isn't good enough. It's all pretty easy to access, and we really like the way that the menus are set up. We'll just take a shot right here at activating some of the features that we're used to using, like pausing or skipping back and forth, and you'll be able to see what happens on ESPN as opposed to what happened earlier on Bloomberg. As you see, this action is not available. No problem if you're ready to watch live sports, but if you wanted to pause and go back to that last play, you're out of luck for now.
And as we found out last time, you can bring it to full screen even, really taking the place of the start screen that's currently in Windows 8. Only now, in this build, there's actually a button that conveniently allows